This conference will now be recorded.
Hello everyone, welcome to Excel Basic Trick number 2. In this video we're going to learn how to uh, do the number formatting, and then we are going to make a chart and do some changing in our assumption tables. Let's start it. First of all, I'm going to select the area of where the numbers are entered. I've already entered the text. I will select this area and press Control Shift 1. And this is a shortcut for using my number formatting, the comma style. It will automatically format all the highlighted area in the number formatting. After that, I'm going to insert the chart, and for that I will need to select the area for which I need to insert the chart in. So I will keep holding my control button and select the area. I will just need three of those, and I will press Alt F1, and this will automatically insert the chart for me. See how easy it is. And in this chart, let's see what I need or what I don't. The chart title. I will need to change the chart title. I will just click on it. Don't go in the edit form and type equal to and select the press enter, and it will take the net income budget. And now let's see in the assumption table if I want to change anything. If I change this to, for example, 0.59, see, it will change everything. Even the chart will change. For example, if I change it to 0.7, it will change everything in everywhere. So that's good for Excel. Thank you very much for joining and watching the video. If you like it, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.